I started using the laser with 1/4-inch hardboard. It is very slow going, requiring 5 or 6 passes. I decided to try something different. Using the CNC proved to be a lot faster. Cutting out the background piece, the edges were left really fuzzy and needed to be cleaned up. Cutting out the skeleton proved to be a disaster. Way too many fuzzies, and the small thin pieces moved around too much and broke easily. Another fail. I decided the problem was using the hardboard. I switched to plywood and back to the laser. Sure, it took a couple of passes, but it worked out the best. Just some of the many pieces, sanded, primed, and ready for paint. Starting to paint the framework and the background. Red paint sure is a lot brighter than gray primer. More parts painted. Parts clamped in place waiting for glue to dry. Coming along, lots of parts in place, but still in need of eyes and teeth. Still needs some eye detail and yet another tooth. Lots of color. A few coats of clear, and the Gatton Christmas Challenge entry is complete. In total, there were 45 pieces that had to be painted, fitted, and glued into place.